Prestige Institute of Management Dewas, since its inception in the year 2001, is committed towards the overall development of the students. Hence, along with the academic activities, we have pre-planned schedule for the extracurricular activities too. We at Prestige believe in the development of students in terms of their talent and knowledge. Hence, we keep on arranging various workshops, symposium, workshops and conferences for these students. Our institute is Center for Certification in BFSI, IT, IETS and Retail under the umbrella of PMKVY. Time to time, we provide certification in digital marketing, social media marketing, and web developing and designing. Besides this, we have academic industry interface, under which we keep on arranging the extramural lectures for these students, where we invite the experts from the industry to guide these students. We also have the CAB, as we have the industry linkage, that is the Corporate Advisory Board, and to give the industry exposure to these students, we keep on organizing the industrial visits for these students. We have the entrepreneur cell, where we encourage the students for entrepreneurship and for the startups. Prestige Inspire Foundation, which is supported by the Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog Government of India, is the official incubator for Prestige Institute of Management Dewas. There is a regular grooming of students through the personality development and communication skills classes by the professionally expert professionals. Besides this, we keep on organizing the group discussions, interviews, training, that is the mock interviews for our students, as well as the seminar presentation for our students. When we talk about the extracurricular activities, our institute is the most happening institute. Our annual function Utsav is the talk of the city, and this is the event which provides students the platform to showcase their inner talent in the terms of dancing, singing, drama, management related activities. We are committed towards our social responsibility, hence we are indulged into lot many corporate social responsibilities. Every year we arrange and we go for the plantation drive on 5th of June, which is the World Environment Day. We have recorded our name in the Golden Book of World Record for our Swachhata contribution towards the Swachhata Abhiyan. There are lot many activities and the campaigns which we organize throughout the year, like we organize the Yuva Utsav events, sports activities, that is under the, we celebrate the sports week, then we are associated with the anti-tobacco campaign, blood donation camp and traffic awareness campaign and the health awareness campaign as well. For the benefit of students, we have different clubs and cells in our institute. We have women empowerment cell, grievance handling cell, as well as the anti-ragging cell in our institute.